In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Read More text in WordPress to better suit your website's style and tone. Adjusting this text can add a unique touch to your website and enhance your reader's experience. Whether you want to personalize it or make it more engaging, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your WordPress login page, entering your login credentials when prompted. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard, your central hub for making all the necessary changes to your site. Alright, let's dive into the actual process. We'll need to navigate to the theme editor. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you should see a menu. Hover over Appearance, and then click on Theme Editor. Before proceeding, you might see a warning about editing your themes directly. It's important to note that direct changes could potentially break certain functionalities if not done correctly. So, it's always advisable to back up your site before making any changes. Once you're in the theme editor, you'll notice a lot of files listed on the right-hand side under Theme Files. What you're looking for is the file named content.php or anything similar that controls your post excerpts. Click on it to open the file in the editor. This section of code is where we'll make the changes to your Read More text. Do a quick scan of this file using your browser's find function, usually triggered by pressing Ctrl F or Command F on a Mac. You want to locate the code that includes the Read More text. This might look something like the content or the excerpt, followed by a custom message or a string of text. Once you find this fragment, replace the current text within the quotes with whatever new message you would prefer. Make sure to respect the syntax, as an incorrect alteration can cause errors. After you've made your changes, you'll scroll down and click the Update File button to save everything. It's a good idea to go back to your website and refresh the page to check if the changes have been applied. If everything went smoothly, you'll now see your customized Read More text appearing in place of the default one. Remember, if you want to go back to the original text, you can revisit your theme editor and revert the modifications. To wrap things up, when changing default text like this, always ensure you're editing the correct file, and never forget the importance of backups. These small changes can have a big impact, both in usability and style. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helped make your WordPress site a bit more yours. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or for further tutorials. See you next time.